Hey there, short-haired beauties. If you're looking to add length and volume to your short hair, this video is for you. At Modern Braids Archive, we'll show you how to rock braid hairstyles for short hair with extensions. Whether you want to experiment with different looks or simply want to enhance your natural locks, these hairstyles will give you the versatility you've always wanted. From cute and edgy braided pixie cuts to trendy and textured bob braids, get ready to transform your short hair with the magic of extensions and braids.